This 5-minute solution will show you how to reduce image size on iPhone or iPad without downloading any third-party app. First of all, open your Photos app and open the photo that you want to reduce. Then tap on the share button at the bottom left. And here scroll down and tap on Save to Files. And select a folder to save the photo. Tap on Save. Once the photo saved, go to your Files app and go to the folder where you just saved the photo. And here we can see the current size of this photo is 1.5 megabyte. And to reduce this file size or photo size, tap and hold the image. Tap on Quick Actions. And here tap on Convert Image. And select a file format. I'm selecting PNG. And image size, select small. And after reduce, here we can see file size or image size is 221 kilobyte only. And let's see the image. This is how we can reduce image size on iPhone or iPad. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.